Good morning, y'all. This is Naturalee'LaTree. I wanted to come and share what I've been using for my fat burner. I'm on my little journey to lose about 10-15 pounds. So yeah, I wanted to share what I've been using. I've been doing this is Simple Truth organic apple cider vinegar. It's raw, unfiltered with the mother. They say you want to make sure you have the mother in there with the mother. That's where you get the full benefits. Apple cider vinegar is good for so many things. Feel free to check the benefits. Look up the benefits on that, as well as this is 100% lemon juice. Get these big ones here from Sam's. You can find larger size of the apple cider vinegar as well at different places. We usually get the one that I think has more of a yellow label on it, but this one here I like Simply Truth Organic, and then this is the real lemon, 100% lemon juice, and then I have 1 cup of water here. And what I want to do is I have a glass here, and I take I measure approximately I use this scooper here, but I try to do 1 tablespoon. Oops, I guess I should have shook that up. Make sure you shake it up. Let me show you. You see in the bottom there how it gets the little stuff sitting in the bottom of it? So yeah, I want to make sure that's shook up. Sometimes I'll just have just a little bit of just the straight vinegar. It's good for high blood pressure and everything. So I just try to do 1 tablespoon. Even if it's a little more, I don't mind. Of the apple cider vinegar. And I put that in my glass. Then I take my lemon juice. And I measure about the same into the little scoop, about 1 tablespoon. You can see. Try to even it out. That's the most important. Try to have at least half and half of the amount of vinegar and lemon juice, which is going into more water, which I have a cup of water. This is just some lukewarm water. And I mix it in. And then I stir it up. And I normally try to just drink it down fairly quickly. For me, it doesn't taste bad like that. Some people may not care for the taste. But for me, I just go ahead and drink it quick. Drink it quick. It's like it's a little tarty. It's like the lemon juice and the apple cider vinegar is a nice blended flavor. It's like almost like a unsalted pickle. So yeah, that's what it's giving me. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you. And yeah, if you want to follow my journey, just keep watching. I've been doing a couple of other things like walking and different things I've been sharing. So yeah. I'm about to lose that baby. I ain't finna be walking around looking like I'm pregnant. What? Just got the gap. You look good cat. From Amazon Prime. It took them 2 days. Hey. But anyway, let's see. Elvi Studio. Okay, y'all know I don't like opening packages. I don't like opening packages. Okay. But anyway, I'm ready for it. Boom, 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 boom. I thought it was gonna be more. I don't know what I thought it was gonna be. Oh, this ain't even it. Dang it, this is the head wrap. I wasn't ready. Dang, where my other thing at? Anyway, this is my head wrap. Let me just show y'all. I needed it to be, dang. Look how big this is for my head wrap. I need something thicker. I was excited. That sucks. Oh well. I still want to lose this, but look. This is the head wrap, thicker than the ones I had. These are the black one. So yeah. So anyway, that is the name of the head wrap. I was thinking it felt a little thin. It's all good. I'll be back when my waist trainer get here. My husband, y'all see how I look today. She cute, simple, cute, comfortable. I'll be back when my waist trainer get here, and then I'm gonna have to show y'all how I can wrap my hair up with this. Yep. Okay, y'all, my package is finally here. When I thought it was here the other day, and it wasn't. But this should be my waist trainer. If it's not, then I don't know what's up. But yeah, excuse how I look. I just detangled my hair, and this is what it is. But I got my waist trainer from Amazon. What is it saying? Not giving me no description of what kind it is. No name brand or anything. So this is the one. It had like all, it was all black. And it had trim in yellow and then trim in pink. If they were all the same. But I know that they had two different ones, and this one trim in yellow and one trim in pink. Now I gotta figure out how to put it on. Oh shoot. How do you do that? Because it's do the thighs and it's do the stomach. Let me see. This looks like stomach. So this is what it looks like. There's a lot going on. It's, yeah. Pull that. Gotta tighten it up more once I figure out how to get it. And thighs. Can you see? Can you see? It's gonna be tight. I should do this out there.
Alright, y'all. Look like I figured out how to get it on. I thought I was recording once I stepped out here and didn't push record again. But anyway, so like I figured out how to make sure I pull this really, really tight. 2 straps for the stomach, for the tummy. My pudge is here for the most part, so I gotta work on that. Then 3 straps for the thighs. I wanted to shape my glutes or shape my butt, but I don't know how that works. If this is what I need for that, but it will tighten those thighs up. I wear this when I'm walking, when I do my walking. I like my thighs, so I really don't want to lose my thighs too much. But honey, I've been noticing these hips trying to, not hip, but this midsection. This here, and here is where the weight is picking up. So yeah. So from Amazon, just type in waist trainer, because I don't know, of course it's not sponsored, I don't know the brand. Ooh, what a big old bird. It's like an eagle or hawk or something. But yeah, this is not sponsored or anything. But just type in waist trainer and look through the selection and find which one you want. So there it is. I got it. The real deal, okay? Because for a minute I was making my homemade one, but I got the real deal. It came about 3 days, I think it took to get here. This one. Here I go. I got some ways to go. Yeah. I'll try to wear this as much as I can. But yes, this is Naturalee'LaTree. I hope you have been inspired by this video. If you got some healthy choices for yourself you're trying to make, get some little tone on, you know, tone your body a little bit, lose some weight, get a little more healthy, whatever it is, you can do it. I can do it. So yeah. But yeah, excuse my hair. Excuse my hair. I just detangled it, finger detangled it, and yeah, and twisted it so I can move on to figure out what I want to do with it. Yeah. And there we go. There it is. I got my house shoes on. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you later. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, do whatever you like. Until next time, I will talk